Got a bit of a show and tell video today. I'm gonna talk about this engine that I made and run it up. So I used the plans in this book, Building Simple Model Steam Engines by Tubal-Cain. So firstly I'm gonna fill it up with water. Just using a syringe to add the water through the hole where the safety valve goes. I'm not going to be editing this video, so it's probably going to be pretty long. Okay, that should be enough water in there. So with that, I'm going to replace the safety valve. Make sure that's nice and tight. Next is to fill the burner. Got some methylated spirits here. Just a little hole in the middle where the methylated spirits can be added. This is essentially a vent hole as well, to let air in as the spirits get burnt off. I should probably do that. Let me grab a lighter. Okay, the wicks are lit. So during the building of this engine, I did make some modifications. Firstly, I added a handle to a key that I found online and repurposed it as the handle for the burner. I thought that would be a quite interesting detail. I also added a whistle. I added a coin from the year that I was born into the flywheel. And the final change was I made this a single, I guess, bushing rather than two separate that you had to align, because I thought it would be too tricky to have to get them exactly aligned without causing any tight spots. So one single bushing through there for the axle seems to work much better in my opinion. So while that's heating up, now's a good time to add some lubrication. So I just got some light oil, just adding it to any point where there's metal upon metal moving. Doesn't need a lot. I found the book quite straightforward and easy to follow. There's multiple plans in this book. This is the poly vertical steam engine. I picked this one because it's a fairly compact unit where you have the steam engine attached to the boiler all in one, so it makes quite a nice display item. Takes a while for these to come up to the boil. The other detail I added was the top to the chimney there. I believe in the plans it's meant to be flanged, but I thought turning a brass top would look slightly better. Just going to turn it over to remove the water that comes through first before the steam. And away we go. It's not messy at all. I'll give the whistle a bit of a try now, so if you're using headphones, you might want to turn it down for a little bit. Okay, I think that's enough of that. The base does have some weights in it to try and stop it from moving around. This is more of a slippery surface like I usually run this on, so it seems to be dancing itself across the surface. There you go. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and perhaps have a go at making one yourself. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.